The Obie and Little Sean Morning Show. What it is, Esty. What it is.
Power 95.3.
All right, now don't you forget we have French Montana tickets. You just heard them with Freaks right there with Nicki Minaj. We have those tickets coming up on the show.
Yes,
but first,
sir.
That news and gossip.
Well, what it is with one of our artists who was arrested. Why? DUI. Who? Miguel. He was driving in his BMW. Cops spotted his BMW speeding. They had illegal tinted windows. So they pulled Miguel over, and as he was dealing with those issues, they started smelling booze on his breath. They were like, hey, Miguel, what's up? What's going on? Let's give you a breathalyzer. And he blew a .11. The limit,
Damn.
.08. So he was over the legal limit. They also gave him some field sobriety tests. Miguel also failed those, so he was arrested. He did post bail of about $5,000. So he's out, and he has to go to court next month.
Man, this is not a good year for Miguel, huh?
no.
Drop kicking a woman's neck into the stage.
Two of them.
Yeah,
Two of them.
hitting two women on this.
He tried
Anyways,
to jump.
poor dude,
I
man.
did think about that, too. I was like,
Hey,
man, what
but
about
anyways,
you?
if he really is that intoxicated, I shouldn't say poor dude because he was putting other people's lives at risk. So
That's
Yeah, so we'll see him in court in September, what they want to do and how they want to deal with it. He did go to jail for a few hours.
I just want to listen to this Miguel song real quick that he has. It's called How Many Drinks?
Okay.
what?
All right, guys.
Can I have?
If I
Okay.
get pulled over for
Serious
you-
faces. We
Okay,
have a sad
okay.
story here. What it is with the star of that 70s show. Remember the show that really made Ashton Kutcher famous and even Mila Kunis. Now, there was Eric Foreman. He was one of the main characters. He was dating the redhead, and his sister, the blondie on the show, she passed away. Really sad story. Her name is Lisa Robin Kelly. And again, she was 43 years old. She passed away in her sleep at a rehab facility in Cali. Now, her agent is saying that she voluntarily checked herself into the clinic. She wanted to get sober and alcoholic for years. And we're hearing at the clinic again, she passed away of
That
a
really
heart
sucks,
attack.
man. She was the hot blonde in the show, the oldest of all the kids. And anyways, just really sad to see all these people like, Corey from Glee, Gia from The Bachelor.
Yesterday, I know. Her
Damn,
name was
man.
Lori on the show, if you guys remember the 70s show. Lori.
Wow.
The pretty blonde.
And she checked herself into rehab to get better.
She did.
And-
She's been having
and
a really
she
rough
died in
relationship,
rehab.
though. I know. It's so
Damn.
sad. Really heartbreaking. So hearts
Rehab is worse than the streets.
and our
sometimes.
thoughts go out to her and her family. Of course, like you mentioned, Gia Alaman from The Bachelor passing away yesterday. Like, it's just rough in Hollywood right now. Corey, so we'll keep them all in our thoughts, definitely. And that's what it is every 50 after with the Obie and Little Sean Show.
At Advance Auto Parts, getting oil and saving